Everyone, welcome to Unique Jewelry Blog. Today we are diving into the world of adorable and stylish earring for every person. From playful design to elegant prices, we have got a lot to show you. So let's get started. So first design is very attractive and very cute. This design only 3 and this price 22,000 plus 22 Hallmark. Next design is more beautiful because it's just for your kids. Very attractive and very emerging this design. Only 1 and this price is only 7,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. Very attractive and very adorable this design. Only 3 and this price is only 22,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful. Its name is Sui Suta. If you want, please screenshot design. Only 2 and this price 13,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design is more beautiful because it's really emerging and very adorable this design. Only 3 and this price is only 22,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute and very gorgeous this collection. Next design is very attractive 9 or 6 22 carat. Wow, if you want, please screenshot this design. Next design is more beautiful because it's very simple but very gorgeous this collection. Its name is Shushuda design. If you want, please screenshot. Only 2 and this price is only 13,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design is very attractive and very cute and very gorgeous for our kids. It's just emerging this design. If you want, please screenshot. Wow, so cute, very fancy and very adorable this design. It's just for your kids. Wow, so cute this design. Very available this design. Next design is more beautiful. It's chomka design, only 5 very attractive this design, very cute this design. Next design is more beautiful. It's just for your kids, only 1 rupee and this price is only 8,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design is very cute and very gorgeous this design. Is just for your kids, only 1 rupee and this price is only 7,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute, only 3 chumka earring. Very adorable, very gorgeous and very colorful this design. It's just for a kid, only for a child. Next design is very attractive, very gorgeous, very fantastic this design. Only 4 and this price is only 30,000 plus. Very cute this design, very beautiful this design, very adorable this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Very attractive. Next design is more beautiful jhumka earring design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very attractive 5 only 5 very beautiful and very cute this design. Next design is very simple but very gorgeous.